That one is the
Dynamite sauce.
dynamite sauce.
And it's crispy chicken with sliced cheese.
Hi guys, for today's video, dito tayo magpo-food trip sa may bagong bukas na Fast Burger Juice and Juices pala. So, ayan, pagbubukas tayo ni brother. Ito yung kanilang menu dito sa labas. Ayan. Thank you, brother. So, ayan guys, bago malinis. Tapos dun tayo sa taas kakain guys. Ayan, piniprepare na yung order natin. Ayan guys. Sinasabi na yung ating order.
For the fresh lemon mint.
Lemon mint, ha?
It's fresh.
Nice. Amoy ko na siya, ang bango. And for me, watermelon. That's mine?
Yes, sir.
So this is the watermelon, guys. Let's go. Tapos niluluto na yung ating chicken burger doon. So tutulog ko kayo sa taas. Nandun yung mga katropa natin sila utol. Hanggang guys, malinis. Kasi bago pa. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung taas. Yes, brother? Ha? Okay, sure. Okay. Pag gagawin tayo yung burger, pwede ko daw videohan. Let's go! Akit tayo dito sa taas. Nandito yung mga tropa natin, si Rayhan, tsaka si Utol. So, ito yung taas niya. Maliit lang siya, hindi ganun malaki, pero bago. So ayan, kaya kami pala yung customer, bagong bukas lang guys. So baba ulit tayo doon, videoan natin yung pagpe-prepare ng order natin burger. Pwede daw i-content. Let's go! Okay brother, what are you going to do now?
Chicken wings.
Ah, you're preparing the chicken wings.
8 pieces.
Comes with 8 pieces wings, ha?
Yes, sir. With bread also and with juice also.
Alright.
With sauce. It's with mustard and honey. It's mixed sauce.
Mustard and honey. And that one is the
Dynamite sauce.
dynamite sauce. So this is the one who gives spicy
With bread.
spices with bread.
With juices.
With juice.
15
so
reals.
that comes with juice for only 15 reals, guys. Okay, next. Okay, and this is my order.
Burger sauce.
Burger sauce.
Burger sauce.
Yes.
Lettuce.
With
sauce.
lettuce. What sauce is that?
It's
Is
coming
that
burger.
made?
There are coming 3 kinds of sauce mixed.
Okay.
Burger, mustard, honey, and dynamite sauce.
And this is the
This is
honey
with
mustard.
honey mustard.
honey mustard.
And it's crispy chicken with sliced cheese.
Crispy chicken with cheese.
And again coming cheese.
Custard lemon.
And sliced tomato.
And tomato.
And coming again lettuce.
And lettuce again.
Yes.
Wow. Grabe guys, ang sarap nito. Nice. And then
Again, sauce. Mustard, honey. Little bit burger.
Burger sauce. Okay. Paano kung makakagat to, guys? Ang tabaan. Let's go. With
fries.
With fries. Where's the fries, guys? Okay. And then fries and drinks.
With juice also.
And this is the juice. Let's go. So ito na guys ang ating order. Si-serve na to sa taas. Let's go. Okay. And ito na yung isang order. Ito na yung ating order. Utol.
Hey! Wow, nice! Amazing! Wow!
Ayun na siya.
Look at that!
Sino nag-order ng chicken?
Sarap ng buffalo wings!
Ito yung sa amin, no?
Walang sarap ng buffalo wings!
Let's
Kayo naman!
go. Ay, buffalo wings ang order mo?
Hindi, order ko sa buffalo wings.
Ha? Ay, ito ba yung sa akin? Akala ko chicken burger. Akala ko chicken burger ako.
Ay, gusto mo?
Chicken burger ako. Picture tayo pagkakat ni brother. Let's go. So, ito na. Kain na tayo. Si Rayhan. Gutom din pala. Noong nagutom kakalakad. Ayan o. Ito lang yung kakain eh. So, kain na muna tayo. So, yan. Manatapin ito. Ang trabaho. Ano mga kain ito? Paano makain ito? Trabaho? Ayan mo lang. Malipit nyo yan, sold na kayo. May ganito pa. Sarap. Pabusin ka na muna to. So yun guys, tapos sa itong content na to. Punta ulit kami dito, sasama natin sila Rob at sila Darren dito. Masarap yung na-order ko na chicken burger. So, thank you so much for watching. See you guys. Next time, babalik tayo dito. Bye!